When my brain is fried at the end of the day, I need a dish that I can just throw together that I know will please everyone in the house. This dish came out of a desperate night where I just grabbed random things from the fridge and made what is now one of my family's favorites. It's a super quick pesto. This comes together really fast. Get some water boiling on the stove. We're gonna put that pasta inside the pot. And then we're just gonna set our timer because otherwise we're gonna forget. Now we're gonna make a pesto. So I have 2 cups of spinach, along with 2 cups of fresh basil that I just picked out of my garden, a little dash of salt, about 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tomato, just chopped into quarters, the juice of 2 limes. It's getting everywhere. Now we're gonna pulse this up. If it's too thick, I might add a little bit of aquafaba, and this would be taking the place of like an oil. Checking our pasta, giving it a stir. Now we're gonna add in about 3/4 cup of pine nuts. If you don't have pine nuts or you don't like them, you could also use cashews or Brazil nuts in here. Yeah, that's looking good. Oh, wow, the garlic just came and smacked me in the face. And the basil too. And I might give it another little blitz, but first, here's another little trick. When your pasta is about 2 or 3 minutes away from finishing, throw in some broccoli and let it cook along for the ride. And it's a nice way to do basically what's a 1-pot meal. We're 2 minutes away on this pasta, so we're gonna check it. I wonder if rice pasta works on the wall test. Do we know this test? Ready? It bounced off. No good. And this is what you want. You can see your broccoli is turning a nice green. I'm gonna turn this timer off because I'm just gonna go with my Jedi instincts now. But the other fun thing about cooking pasta is you gotta eat some, because you gotta make sure it's ready to go. Okay, so we're gonna drain the pasta and the broccoli out in the sink. So we're gonna quickly, that's hot. Put it right into here. We're gonna take that pesto, we're gonna pour it inside the pot. And I also had some leftover beans, so I'm just gonna throw those in too. All right, let's see how she tastes. Fresh basil makes the world of difference. And that garlic hits so beautifully. It mellows out a little bit with everything else going on. This is a perfect, delicious meal that you can make on any weeknight in less than 20 minutes.